10 smallest towns in Britain you've never visited. Britain is home to countless places that feel untouched by time, but nothing captures that sense of quiet charm quite like the smallest towns in Britain. These tiny communities sit far from crowded cities, tucked among coastlines, valleys, moors and rolling farmland. This countdown of the 10 smallest towns in Britain you've never visited explores the peaceful corners of Scotland, Wales and England. Places where life moves at a slower pace, where locals greet you with warm smiles, and where every stone cottage and winding lane tells a story of generations past. 10. Jedburgh, Scottish borders, Scotland. Jedburgh begins our list not because it is large, but because it is one of the smallest official towns in Scotland, with only around 4,100 people calling it home. Despite that modest size, Jedburgh carries a sense of historical importance. Its skyline is dominated by the majestic ruins of Jedburgh Abbey, a building that has towered over this quiet town since the 12th century. What makes Jedburgh special is the balance between intimacy and heritage. The streets are narrow, the shops are local, and the atmosphere is warm. Exactly the kind of experience people search for when looking for tiny British towns and quiet Scottish towns on Google and YouTube. A simple walk through the town reveals a close-knit community that feels welcoming from the moment you arrive. 9. Burgh-le-Marsh, Lincolnshire, England. Burgh-le-Marsh might be small, but its sense of identity is huge. With just a little over 2,000 residents, this Lincolnshire town stands as one of the smallest places in England with full town status. Fields stretch in every direction. Windmills, some restored, some retired, rise above the landscape, and the rooftops of the town gather around a traditional high street that still feels wonderfully local. You'll find a handful of bakeries, pubs serving hearty meals, and friendly chats happening at the doors of shops. It's the definition of a quiet UK town, the sort of place that appeals to audiences curious about peaceful living or hidden English communities. Even on the busiest summer days, Burgh-le-Marsh holds on to its slow and steady rhythm. 8. Bradninch, Devon, England. With roughly 2,000 residents, Bradninch is one of Devon's smallest chartered towns and one of its most charming. This little town perches above the Culm Valley, surrounded by rolling countryside that looks bright and inviting in every season. Life here is shaped by local traditions, community events, and a sense of togetherness that larger towns often lack. Bradninch's small size makes it easy to explore on foot. Cottages cluster around the centre, narrow lanes twist gently through its neighbourhoods, and local notice boards fill up with community announcements. When people search for small towns in England or tiny towns in Devon, they're often looking for exactly this kind of place: quiet, scenic, close to nature, and full of character. 7. Langport, Somerset, England. Langport might be best known for its long history, but it is also notable for being one of the smallest parish-defined towns in Somerset, with the town area itself home to just over 1,000 people. The River Parrett curves alongside it, creating one of the most picturesque settings in this part of the West Country. Visitors often fall in love with Langport's pace of life. The high street is compact but filled with local businesses, and the surrounding wetlands offer peaceful walks that stretch for miles. For anyone exploring smallest towns in Britain or hidden British towns, Langport reliably delivers that balance of heritage and serenity that people want to experience, both in person and through storytelling on YouTube. 6. Hatherleigh, Devon, England. Hatherleigh is one of the southwest's smallest official market towns, with around 1,300 residents living among its historic lanes and timber-fronted buildings. Markets have shaped this town for generations, and even though times have changed, the spirit of community gatherings and local trade remains deeply rooted in its identity. The town feels cosy and warm, with local inns, narrow pathways, and traditional landmarks that hint at its long history. Surrounded by open countryside and farmland, Hatherleigh has the kind of close-knit atmosphere that viewers often seek out when searching for quiet UK towns or small Devon communities. It's a reminder that small places often leave the biggest impressions. 5. Dornoch, Sutherland, Scotland. Perched on the coast of the Scottish Highlands, Dornoch is a town of gentle beauty and quiet charm. With about 1,400 residents, it's small enough to feel intimate, but large enough to offer a few surprises. Its sandy beach stretches peacefully along the edge of town, while Dornoch Cathedral stands proudly at its centre, adding a touch of grandeur to this tiny coastal community. People who arrive in Dornoch often mention the sense of calm that washes over them. The stone cottages, the soft colours of the landscape, and the friendly greetings from locals create an atmosphere that fits perfectly with searches for small towns in Scotland and tiny British coastal towns. Dornoch may be small, but its personality feels wonderfully deep. 4 Llanwrtyd Wells, Powys, Wales. Llanwrtyd Wells proudly carries the title of the smallest town in Wales, and with around 850 residents, it easily earns a place high on this list. Despite its tiny population, the town is famous for hosting some of the most wonderfully unusual events in Britain, bringing a playful and welcoming spirit to the landscape of mid-Wales. Beyond the quirky traditions, Llanwrtyd Wells is peaceful and scenic. It's surrounded by hills, forests, and winding country lanes, and visitors often comment on how quickly they feel at ease here. The size of the town makes every interaction personal, every street familiar, and every moment calm. On Google and YouTube, it stands out strongly in searches for tiny Welsh towns and hidden UK towns. 3. St Just-in-Penwith, Cornwall, England. St Just-in-Penwith is a unique entry on this list. While its population is larger than some others, it is officially recognised as the smallest chartered town in Cornwall, a title based on historical town rights rather than modern population figures. What earns it a place here is not only that status, but also the remarkably intimate feel of the town despite its more robust headcount. Narrow lanes, independent galleries, and friendly cafes bring life to the town centre. And all around St Just, the landscape bursts with rugged Cornish beauty. Cliffs, coves, and the haunting remains of old mining sites. Viewers searching for small Cornish towns, historic British towns, or quiet places in England will find St Just a fascinating and visually striking addition to the journey. 2. St David's, Pembrokeshire, Wales. Although St David's is officially classified as a city, its population of around 1,800 people makes it feel more like a small, peaceful town. The streets are lined with stone cottages, independent shops, and tiny cafes, all watched over by the remarkably beautiful cathedral that grants St David's its rare honorary status. Visitors love the blend of coastal scenery and ancient architecture. The calm, welcoming energy of the town brings people back year after year, and online, it performs strongly in searches for quiet Welsh towns, small UK places, and tiny coastal communities. St David's may be a city by definition, but in daily life, it is one of Britain's smallest and most beautiful town-like places. 1 Fordwich, Kent, England. Fordwich proudly holds the title of the smallest town in Britain, with a population of around 372 residents. This tiny gem beside the River Stour looks like a storybook version of Old England, complete with timber-framed houses, a centuries-old town hall, and narrow lanes that you can explore in minutes. Everything about Fordwich feels gentle and unhurried. The river glides quietly through the edge of town, birdsong replaces traffic noise, and every part of the community feels connected. For audiences searching for the smallest towns in Britain, tiny towns in England, or hidden British places, Fordwich is the perfect example, a place small in size but endlessly rich in charm. These 10 smallest towns in Britain you've never visited reveal that some of the country's most remarkable places are also the quietest. From Highland coastlines to Welsh valleys and English countryside lanes, each tiny town offers a rare combination of beauty, history, peaceful living, and stories waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.